84 products I had to finish up at the end of March. Let us see how I have done in April. The first product, the makeup product that I have here, Lancome Def and Seal High Definition Mascara. Not bad. A mini. Not going to purchase full size because I have bought Lancome full size mascaras in the past. Hypnose, my absolute favorite. Hypnose Doll Eyes. A wonderful, wonderful mascara that actually made me look like I had eyelashes. I think the Essence False Effect Lash Princess Mascara, the one with black tube and green trimmings, that one is better and a lot cheaper. So I will be sticking to Essence and I will not be repurchasing Lancome. But Lancome makes very, very, very solid mascaras. I really liked using this. Just that I won't repurchase because of, the price, and there is a better mascara out there. Moving on to skincare, face cleanser, Julius's. This launched on Cult Beauty, I think, a couple of years ago, and I got this in a gift with purchase. Julius's Gold Wash face wash for the day. This had actually been in my travel bag, and then we all stopped traveling because of COVID, and there was so much left. I used that up. I'm not a fan of this right now. I used to love this product back in the day. There was only so much left, as I said. So I finished it up, because when I did finish it up, it made my face feel very, very, very sore, very tight. Will not be repurchasing. I'm going to stick to La Roche-Posay, Toleriane, and products like that, very gentle dermatologist recommended brands for the future. But that said, before my skin went bonkers, before September 2022, pre-vaccination, this was fine for my face. I could use the Good Morning Low pH cleanser from CosRx 2 times a day and my skin wouldn't mind. Now, this makes my skin sore when I'm sort of, leaping up and down as I stand over the sink. Yeah. Toner is next. Cezanne Skin Conditioner High Moist. 500 mils of it, finally finished. Yeah, ignore that. This is on par with the Kiko Masamune Sake Illusion. High Moist. I'm not sure which one I like more. I genuinely can't decide. I think I'll stick to Kiku, possibly because that comes with a pump. The pump is shite, and I decant both of them into a spray bottle anyway. But of the two, I like pumping it into the spray bottle without, opening the bottle of Kiku at all. And the pump lasts until I decant the whole lot of product into spray bottles. In this case, I've got to open it and then squeeze to decant. For that reason, I've been purchasing the Kiku Masamune. But that's it. I really like Cezanne. I've done a video on hydrating toners from Japan, if anybody's interested in what I think about this one at length. I have also been using up a lot of galactomyces on my face, purely just spritzing it on. Doesn't make my face feel sore, doesn't make my face moisturized either. It's just a CeraVe moisturizer step that I use. Yeah, and once you wash your face, there is this tendency to go in for a toner. So I've been spritzing on the galactomyces ferment filtrate from the One Thing. Detailed review of this has been done on this channel. This and other One Thing toners wasn't bad. I like this more than the CosRx galactomyces to spritz on, because galactomyces I'm not sure where to incorporate right now in my skincare routine. Will I repurchase? No. I'm sort of moving out of all of these into purely pharmaceutical products or dermatologist recommended products or quasi-pharmaceutical brands such as, Aven and La Roche-Posay and Bioderma and so on, French pharmacy brands. So I won't be repurchasing this sort of skincare product in the near future. Another skincare product, Isentry Bifida Ampoule. I really don't think I will be stopping using a serum fully. Yeah, a serum or an essence or an ampoule, one of them will be in my routine. And this one, or the Purito Centella Unscented. So far, it's sort of between those two. Either Purito Centella Unscented or the Isentry Bifida Ampoule. Very nice. Contains Bifida, contains peptides. I'm not sure if it contains everything that the Purito does though. Purito I don't think contains Bifida as much as this one does. That's a big difference. But Purito contains Cica, and I'd rather have Cica than Bifida. So will I repurchase? I've already got 2 full bottles in my stash. Will be repurchasing, definitely. Bath and Body Care underarm product was a skincare product, now currently being used as a deodorant underarm area. Lactic acid from the Inky list. No, I cannot go within a mile of my face with this anymore, with any active anymore. So yeah, this went on my underarms, and I felt it was much better than any deodorant. It improved the texture of my armpits. I felt that I sweated less. I felt that I stank less. Why haven't they told us this? Why do they have all these weird smelling deodorants and aluminium containing products and things like that? Just apply a bit of lactic acid or glycolic acid on your armpits and you're set to go, according to me. I will definitely be using up all my actives on my armpits. Actives on the armpits, that's a phrase. Hand cream, Grace Cole, white rose and lotus flower. Yeah, bought ages ago. £1 I think it was. I think I paid for it. Didn't, smell of anything much really. Wasn't unpleasant to use, wasn't great to use either. Alright. Will I repurchase? No. Body moisturizer, I've got 3. The first one is, there was a very little bit left and I used that up as a foot cream to finish off. Shiseido Waso oil-free quick matte moisturizer. I used to love the stuff on my face when it needed moisturizing. Now this is not enough for my skin at all, so it went on my feet as a foot cream. Very little left anyway, so I finished that off. Yeah, very nice product if you're looking for a lightweight oil-free moisturizer. On par with the Cosrx oil-free moisturizing lotion, the Waso moisturizer, and I really like that packaging. Nice. I've got one more left actually, but after that I will not be repurchasing, purely because I have been sticking to CeraVe now and Vanicream and sort of very thick occlusive Vaseline based products. 2 body moisturizers. The first one is Bath and Body Works. You're the One, which smells so good. Yeah, this is a white birch, a velvety rose and a drop of strawberry nectar. Unbelievably good smell. Unbelievably good. Let's see if there's any left. Oh yes. Oh my god, I get the strawberry. Oh, I want a perfume of this. Oh, terrific. This has my name written all over. Normally I hate strawberry, but you don't get the strawberry there, you get the nectar there. I feel that you smell the nectar more than the strawberry in here. And this has been absolutely lovely. Very comforting smell. Sweeter Laviable. Lancome Laviable. Yeah, I definitely want a perfume in this. Yeah, the next one is, you know what this is, don't you? The Boom Boom Cream. That smells good as well. That smells quite good as well. I love the smell. Yeah, I've been working on using all of my body moisturizers up because, I bought a shite ton of Bath and Body Works products last year when they had that semi-annual sale, and want to finish off as many products as possible during the course of this year so that I can buy during the next semi-annual sales from Bath and Body Works. This one I will definitely be repurchasing. This one I already have the Biggie Boom Boom untouched, and another 300ml tub untouched, and another Bomdia 300ml untouched. In addition, I also have quite a few Bath and Body Works moisturizers. So I think I'm all set. So those are 10 products that I used up in April 2022. That leaves me with 74 products to use up in from May onwards to the end of the year. Will I get there? I don't know. Stay tuned to find out. What have you emptied this month? Do tell me in the comments or tag me when you are posting a photograph on social media. I would love to see your trash. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. And I'll speak to you soon.